arrived at Bougie Berries, y'all. One of the best decorative strawberry places in Milwaukee. Look at the cupcakes. So good. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today joining me is a special guest. It's my daughter Tony. She's having a little moment today, but I'm sure she'll be happy after all these sweets. No, but guys, thank you for joining me. I'm doing a sweet mukbang today. And it's going to be one of the most poppin' places in my hometown. It's called Bougie Berries. A lot of people already know about them, but I have not seen anyone do a mukbang. So, look at this beautiful platter. We finna eat it, baby. It's gorgeous, right? They have a mixture of different desserts. So, they're known for their chocolate-covered strawberries. You see these beautiful, different variety of cupcakes as well. So, I'm very excited to do this video, and I love my sweets, so I cannot wait to dig in. So, I hope you guys enjoy, because I know I will. The only, what baby? What? We're finna eat, come on. The only thing that's missing though, I will have to say is the red velvet cake. I ate that pretty fast, I couldn't wait. Sorry. But everything else is gonna be yummy. You ready to eat, baby? Come on. I think I wanna try this glittered, covered blue strawberry. I think that is just so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? You want to try the purple one? Look at that. I'm like, how do you do it? I give them props. Like, that is just so pretty. Here, eat. Eat yourself. You can dig in now. Yeah. Cheers. Eat. Try it's candy. Candy coated. Oh, good. Oh, man. I know I'm going to regret this later. Because she's going to be getting on my nerves. Running around, just super hyper. But, just to keep her quiet for a moment. I love that. It's like covered candy. No? Want to try something else? We're going to try. I guess you don't like the color coded like that. I love it. Yeah, try another one. What one I want to do? You want to do that? It's. I think that one is. What I want to do? Good one. Get it. Get it. That one's like a strawberry cupcake, and it has like some sprinkles on top. Like some gold little sprinkles. And a little strawberry swirl sticking inside. That one's good, baby. I want to bite. I eat those strawberries. You're not good. I like the way it tastes. You like that one? We're going to find something she likes. Yeah. Come on now. You can't play all over them. Eat it. I don't think you don't like it. She always do that. She'll be so. I can't even talk. I'm just ready to eat. Can I bite? Bite? Hmm?
No.
Mmm. The strawberries are so fresh.
Hey.
It's crazy. Mmm. See what else I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try that strawberry.
Hey.
I think this one is a strawberry lemonade crunch. How to show you guys. That is insane how they do that though. Isn't that crazy?
What?
Yeah, I think this is like a strawberry lemonade crunch covered strawberry. Mm. It's different. Bite it. Here, I'll take the wrapper off.
No.
Remember to help?
No. Wait.
Hmm? You think you can eat all this, baby?
That's it.
Eat it. The strawberry swirl, vanilla. Oh, this is a sprinkle one. I have sprinkles on the cupcakes. Yeah, look at her. She's learning already. Oh, this one is sweet. Mm. It's almost done. The strawberry good. I thought I could get one. I'm gonna try this chocolate cover. This is a simple chocolate cover.
Okay.
Oh, you want this one, huh? Covered strawberry. Here, I'll give her that one. Bite. Is it good? I guess you just like simple. I like these decorative ones. I'm not eating this, I'll eat it. I like these. Mm. They're good? No, kids don't lie. You can tell you the truth.
Eat that.
Are done?
Good.
Okay, what do you want to eat? You're just playing around. Oh, she want to eat what I got. That's how that works. I eat. Yeah. I guess I'll finish her chocolate cover. I'm getting my lipstick everywhere. I couldn't wait to do this video, y'all.
Where is this? Hey. Hey.
You do it?
Good.
Uh-oh, you drop?
What?
Okay, I think I'm gonna dig into one of these cupcakes. I'm gonna try this golden Oreo one. This one's good. See how cute that is. Aww. That is just so creative. Okay, put down. And then I want to try another chocolate. I think you're a chocolate lover. This was like a Heath. Is this Heath bar? This is a covered, Heath chocolate covered strawberry. Here, bite.
Good?
Fine. But I'll finish it after this because I want to go in. Really? Why you want everything I want? Pick out something. You got a whole tray right there.
Then.
Strawberry. That look like a strawberry crunch
What?
cupcake.
Nothing.
That one's pretty.
Eat one.
So it's like a lemon. It's a golden Oreo. And there's a lemon frosting. Wait. Getting good at that. After this, I probably can't give her candy for like a week.
What?
Eat? Oh, I get what you're doing. You just want to eat the strawberry.
What?
Babe, you can't just be eating the strawberry and wasting a cupcake.
Open?
I mean, it's relax.
Okay. Yeah.
That one's good.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. I got frosting all in my teeth. Yep. What do you want to eat next? Because you're not finna... Okay, you want to eat the cinnamon swirl? Well, you're not eating all just strawberries.
That thing?
What do you want to do? I don't know what else to try.
Why?
Ooh, I want to try this Georgia peach covered strawberry. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Dad. With this water. Like this,
Yeah, you're just going to eat the strawberry again? Oh my God, you guys. I don't think I want sweets for a week. This is doing it right here.
And we go up.
Look how fresh the strawberry is. That's insane. Super juicy.
Like do go up. We do this. We gonna do this. Day.
What?
Day.
What do you want to eat?
Day.
Cookies and cream. Chocolate covered strawberry. Let me show them, baby, before you eat it.
No way.
Eat.
No.
I'm a little crown phone now. Woo! You getting full? You probably not. You ain't eating nothing. What should I try next, baby?
Good.
I still got this heat one right here. But I
Good.
want a cupcake.
Not good.
I want a cupcake though, baby. Can you pick me a cupcake? Which one? I don't want no more sprinkles. Oh, excuse me. What's the hard thing? Should I do the German chocolate cupcake?
No, that.
The strawberry? You already bit and slobbed all over it. How about this one? The German chocolate?
Ooh. Bye.
Look at that. Let's dive in.
Who's gonna drink?
Yeah. Oh, I asked for every flavor. And I'm full.
Mm-mm.
Really? Good.
Bye. Okay.
You're the worst co-host ever, baby. You're supposed to help me eat. Not pick around. Okay? Let her eat?
No.
You're fired. You're fired, baby.
Mm-mm.
Get off of my set. You're fired. You're fired.
Mm. Good.
Oh. You're going to act right now. Because I fired you. But you want your job back? You can't handle your job back. Oh. Oh, she mad I fired her. That's okay. Her have her job back. Her have her job. Her get her job back. Okay. Okay. I pay her a bonus. Her get a bonus. Okay. For one bonus, I get her a bonus. No bonus. What her want? Free cupcakes. Bite. Okay. Come on, help me eat. Help me eat, baby. I got her a job back. Come on. She's emotional today. I gave her a job back, though. She is so spoiled. Oh, my God. What's so tired? I'm getting full, you guys. Whew. And I still have a lot left. Oh my God. Baby, you help me eat? I think she's done too. Okay. We save for later. We eat later. But don't. Please. Can you eat some more, baby? Yeah? No, I guess you're done. Well, thank you guys for joining me on my sweet mukbang. And thank you, Bougie Berries, for letting me eat your delicious treats. So if you guys don't know about them, check them out. They have a Facebook. Let me check out everything. Facebook, Instagram. So go check them out. They got some really good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video.